Welcome students to our today's lesson. Today we are going to construct an Archimedean spiral. An Archimedean spiral is to take this particular shape. So it will start from a given point like this. Then it goes as it increases like that. So this is what we call an Archimedean spiral. So let's get to tackle this question. So first of all, you will draw a circle of radius 20 millimeters. You draw a circle of radius 20 millimeters. Then stepping at any given point, draw a circle. This is the center of the circle. That is the center of the circle. So this is a circle of 20 millimeters. So this is the starting point. We have drawn a circle of 20 millimeters, and we have been told the spiral will end at 50 millimeters. So again, stepping at the center of the circle, we'll draw another circle of radius 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters, when you divide 20 by 10, you'll get 2 centimeters. When you divide 50 divided by 10, you'll get 5 centimeters. So you'll measure 5 centimeters to draw the other circle where your spiral will come to an end. So that is my circle of radius 50 millimeters. So now, whatever I need to do is to draw horizontal lines touching the center using your T-square. Like that. Then again, draw vertical lines passing through the center. Like that. Now, whatever is remaining is to subdivide all these circles with some other diameters of 30 degrees from each and every line. So with my pair of protractor, this one, I need to draw diagonals of 30 degrees. So measuring 30 degrees, this is 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. Then 60, 90. So now, we'll take my ruler, like this. Like that. Again, draw another Then from there I should draw other diameters at an interval of 30 degrees. So with my pair of protractor, should step here. Then measure 30 degrees. 30. 30 from here it is 60. Then from there you take your T-square. Like that. Again, draw the last line. So I've subdivided these circles at an interval of 30 degrees all round. So now whatever is remaining is to subdivide these lines into sections of equal parts, 12 in number. So if this is my A, B, C, and D, I need to subdivide line A, B into equal parts. And we looked at the method of subdividing a line into equal parts. We said first of all, we need to subdivide this particular line into equal parts. So now, what do you do? So with the pair of your compass, take your compass. Can as well use a ruler. Should divide it into 12 equal parts. Yes, so this is the line. So using the method of subdividing a line into equal parts, so to subdivide this line into equal parts, you'll use your pair of compass. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we should subdivide it into equal parts in this manner, since because once you look at these lines, the ones I've drawn here, you can see they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these lines are 12 in number, and all those sections are 12 in number. So this line, you should also subdivide it into 12 equal parts. So I've subdivided this line. So this line is the one which will be used to calibrate this particular line. So the last point, which is the 12th part, I should join it to point A. Like that. Then again, with the end of your set squares, I should adjust my t-squares like this. So you should adjust them in this manner, such that this particular set square will just slide over this one. So I will just move it like this. Then once you reach there, you can proceed. Okay, adjust it to this one, this is the next one. So I have now subdivided my line into equal parts. So now let me label them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me use this side. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this case, I have subdivided this particular line into equal parts. So now whatever is remaining is to draw several other lines in a spiral way. So with my canvas, then stepping at the center of this circle, stepping at the center, and starting from point 1, I will draw. You can see I've started from I've adjusted my canvas from the center of these circles up to point 1. I should draw first circle, then again stepping it at that point, then adjusting to point 2, this point. Draw another circle. Then also, still stepping at the center and adjusting it to point 3. Draw another circle. Then again, stepping at point 4. Draw another circle. Then to point 5. Draw another circle. Then to point 6. Draw another circle. Then to point 7. Then also to point 8. Then to point 9. Point 10. Then to point 11. So first of all, you draw those lines. Then from there, now we need to trace the Archimedean spiral. So this is how you sketch the Archimedean spiral with a very fair curve. So if you start at this point, this is point number 1. These are the points. So you will count from this line. So we have 1. At this point, you will be having 2. Then we have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then finally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It should reach at the 12th point. So let's start at this point. This is the first one. You have 1, 2. We have 1, 1, 2, 3. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should be here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should be here. Then the other one should be here. Then finally, it should touch the 12th point. So like that. So we will start by drawing an Archimedean spiral all the way up to this point. So starting at this point, which is point B, it will be like that, like this. So this is my Archimedean spiral. So you can see I have started from this point. This is point 1. This is point 0. I've gone to point 2. At this case to point 3. So this is 0. It has gone to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then finally at 12. So this is the procedure of drawing an Archimedean spiral. So students get to follow this procedure. Write the question. I have given you the question like construct an Archimedean spiral starting at point 20 millimeters from its center and finish at 50 millimeters. So it is very simple. You first of all you draw the two circles, the 20 millimeters and the 50 millimeters. Again, you will subdivide this particular circle. First of all, starting the horizontal and the vertical line. Then these other two lines are being subdivided at an angle of 30 degrees. Then from there, you will subdivide this line into equal parts. I think I showed you the procedure of subdividing a line into equal parts, whereby first of all, if this is the line, you need to draw another line like that at a given angle. Then from there, using just a smaller scale of any given number, you just subdivide it like this. Then the last point, if this line is of 50 millimeters, you should join this last point to this one. Then you use your set squares to subdivide it. So that is what I've done. Then from there, I've placed my compass at the center of this particular circle. Then have drawn circles all around. Then from there, I've started from this point to draw my Archimedean spiral. It just started from 0, just increased to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that is the procedure of constructing an Archimedean spiral. Students, copy the question, get to draw your own Archimedean spiral. Remember, I said at the beginning that everything should be in faint. The pencil should be very faint. Now, because you are interested in this spiral kind of a pattern, this is the pattern that you will make to be visible. So, thank you so much, students. Let's meet in our next lesson. Get to copy this and draw your own diagram. Thank you so much.